How to add fonts on Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add fonts to Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. First, you have to open any browser on your PC. I'm using Chrome, you can use any. And then you have to search for their font. You can also use Google Fonts. And then you have to just open this first link. Just make sure you use the official website of their font and click open link in new tab. And it's going to bring you to this page. I've already opened it to cut the loading process. And now you can just search for your desired font. You can use the search bar to search for any specific font that you have in your mind, or you can just choose from the recently added fonts. And then you have to click download once you find the desired font. Now simply choose the folder that you want to save the download in. I'm going to choose this downloads folder and then click save. And once the download is complete, you have to click this show in folder icon over here. Now just select the folder and right click on it and then click extract all. You have to click extract all and then click extract again. And now it's just going to extract all the files. And now just choose font file and click install. Once the install is complete, you have to quit all these folders and then go back and open your Capcut app. And once you open your Capcut app, you'll be able to see all the installed fonts. Now simply add any video to the track and then click the text. And now you can just add the text by clicking this plus sign. And now once you choose the text, you simply have to go to this font option and choose this system option. And now under the font section, you have to just scroll to the bottom because we had the Y font. And here you can see the Justin signature over here. That's the font that I downloaded. And that's the process that you can follow to download any font and install it into your Capcut app. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.